Okay, good evening all.
Good evening,
I'm
ma'am.
Good evening.
Yeah, absolutely.
okay. So all the teams, you are clear with the instructions that were given. Please respond. If I'm inaudible, then kindly respond in the chat, in the group, in the chat. You can respond. Meeting chat. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay. So are all the instructions clear to all?
At least clear to us.
Okay. Rest of the teams, are you clear with all the instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So team one, team one. I'm starting. Yeah, Arunangshu.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm starting your timer. You will be given 3 minutes. I hope you have gone through the instructions previously given.
Ma'am, you
So
are
yeah.
not audible. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please start with your time. Your presenting means you need not share your screen. You can say mm, uh, like verbally. You can just say. I hope you have gone through the instructions. You can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my project title is Net Banking using Jam Server and Port 3306 and of Java. My problem statement is to that the net banking is a online banking or mobile banking, which is electronic payment system that enables our customer or bank to conduct a range of the financial institute to the website. It ensures our security. Yes, ma'am. I gone through our reviews and at first I never at first I ensure that the generalized project name, and then I ensure that it is net banking using jam server and java, and this review is really helpful.
Okay. You still have time. Do you need to say anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So rest of the teams, you can ask any question to Arunanshu, or you can provide any kind of suggestions as well if you think so.
Okay, Arun.
Yes.
So, you told that net banking with some sort of tech stack. So, can you tell me what will be the different thing that is available currently, and your project is making something different out of it? You're getting like I'm asking about the novelty of it.
I actually I am done with the like NEFT or change pin or that kind of things. Uh,
I
any
mean,
sort of
any extra feature that you are adding?
no.
Okay.
Anybody else? Anybody else? What happened to all other teams? All are sleeping. Okay. So let's go to team two now, as all the question answer part is over for team one. So let's go to team two.
I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible. Is he audible? Rest of the teams, please confirm.
Yeah, yeah, audible.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
just wait a minute. Okay, you can start.
Our project title is Spy Electronic Device Detector along with Emergency Message Sender. We receive a feedback need to improve in writing, so we are working on it. And I think in future we did not disappoint anyone. And all the reviews we receive are very helpful, and we get to know other team perspective in our project also. And I think it will help us to perform better next time. That's all.
Okay. Any questions for him? Anybody? Any questions for him?
Can you please again mention your title?
Spy electronic device detector along with emergency message sender.
Okay, so basically, let's say I bought that. So what all I'll be able to do?
They can detect the hidden cameras and also they can detect the hidden Bluetooth devices
Okay.
and they can also detect the hidden smartphones.
Okay, is there any pre-existing things or models already available on the internet?
Yeah, in market, the other models are also available. They can use radio frequency technology and image processing technology. And we are using infrared technology. We use Bluetooth
Okay,
and
if I talk about infrared, so you must have known that our body also emits infrared, and
yes,
if there is a flame, that will also, your device will detect that. So it will detect false, like it will give you false detections, isn't it? If you're using infrared.
yes. But in hidden cameras, in hidden cameras, the infrared frequency are different. So I think it can detect that also.
Most of the cameras don't have that infrared thing. They have like that CCTVs are there now. So even when they are, if they are active, then only that will work.
The infrared sensor or work when there is a dark room. So if anyone will install the hidden cameras, uh, it will works only on dark. So
Okay,
if the
okay.
user can make the room darker, so he can detect
Yeah, yeah. Like it will work in dark only, right? And
condition.
provided that there should be a infrared thing,
Yes,
and also there shouldn't be any candle in that room, right?
yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's it.
I have a question regarding this. Suppose if the camera is in a changing room or a trial room in a shopping mall, so
Yes,
how will your system be helpful in that case?
I did not listen.
Suppose the camera is in a trial room in a
Hmm.
shopping mall. So how will your system be helpful in detecting the hidden camera in that case?
In that case,
We don't know whether it is having any infrared system or not. We don't know that whether the camera where the camera is hidden, and we don't know if the camera is having any infrared system or not with it.
when the camera is active, there is a little light is coming. So if we detect that light, we can also detect that there is a camera in there. I think,
Uh,
and
there is one
in,
condition that I gave, that is the trial room is in light lit condition, like it is people are
mm,
using the trial room, so there will be light obviously. So means how will your system detect the camera in that case?
at that time, I think they can manually check.
They can
Sometimes,
manually.
yes, and sometimes there is a two-way mirror also, so we can easily detect whether there is a two-way mirror or not. So he need to check manually.
Okay.
Ma'am, if
So
you
another
don't mind,
question. Yeah, sure, sure.
can
Carry
I
on.
add? Yeah, yeah. So in that changing room only, like the mom said. So how you will ensure that your device has covered the whole area? Like let's say, and where you are going to install that? Like the area. Are you getting?
Means where we can install the infrared
Like
receiver.
yeah, yeah. Like will it be with the customers who will visit? Like they should have that in their pocket.
They should have a device,
Okay, they should
a
have this
portable
device.
device.
Okay,
Yes.
and then after that.
After that, they can activate the device, and the infrared receiver are
Okay.
installed in
So
every corner of the device.
okay, so this
So
can be done with apps also, right? There they don't
yeah,
have to you know have a thing separately. Like uh, you are providing some hardware, right? You will be selling a hardware.
yes, we are also providing the app also.
Okay, so
So
yeah, that
it
app
is
part.
not be connected.
Okay, that app part is there, or hardware is there?
Both.
Both are there. So
Yes.
they both have the same functionality.
Yes. Means the device hardware will connected with the app, so we can
No,
control the device with
okay.
the
So
app also.
we will have to carry that hardware.
Team
Yeah,
three,
we have to carry that hardware.
team three and questioning team, both of your time is up. We can hold your questions for the end. Let's complete the whole activity, then you can carry on with your question. Okay?
Surely, surely. Thanks a lot, Amit.
Thank you.
Okay. So team three,
Uh, Hi, good evening, everyone. So this is Chandan Kumar Maurya. My project title is Face Recognition Door Lock System. So I read all the reviews. So I'm working on it. The first was I have submitted in Word form. So from next time I will submit in PDF format. And the second one was the I have written very less means it was less descriptive. So I will in future I will means add more things so that it will be helpful to understand. And the third one was this type of product is available in the market. So I add one more things like a message alert system. So means if someone came in front of the door, so you will get a message in your smartphone. So it will be different from the market also. And the fourth one is it might stuck like sometimes it might not work. So in that case, we can use the manual means as we are doing the things. So that's it. So we can do it manual also. The both option will be available. If someone wants to means if it is working properly, then they can go for it. And if it's not working, they can do it by manually. Lock key method. So
okay. So question.
Yeah. In the last, hi Chandan.
ha,
In
ha,
in the last statement, you said that if it is working, then people will use it, and if it is not working, then they'll do it manually. Then
yeah.
what is the that crucial part? Like it is not important, right?
Now it's important. Like someone gives I means a review that it might stuck sometime. So
I'm
it is very means rare. It is very rare case. So the second option is there, like lock key method.
Yeah, I understood that. Like both ways are there,
Yeah,
but
both
like
ways.
dysfunction is not a attribute, right? It is like it shouldn't be counted. Every machine can get damaged, right? So
Yeah, every method.
it shouldn't be like it is working, then we'll use. If it is not working, then we'll not use.
Yeah, so I got the review like that only. So this is
And
the answer.
the second one, you said that the things that are available in the market, they
Yeah,
are more of a you said that message function is not there, but just now I have searched Amazon
yeah.
door lock camera, and they're
Okay.
showing me that you have got an app. Okay, they have also installed an app. You will be able to install app, and you can do a lot of functionalities. Even IoT system is there.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay, then
any
I
other
don't.
mobility?
So I may add some more things like alarm system with the name. Like if someone is coming to whom you know, they will welcome. The welcome to home or something like that. It will open and it will be like
So what are
different from
the
that.
things that you will be using for making that?
So I don't know about that at this time. Whatever I have done till now, so I know that only. So I will work on it.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
So basically, your whatever gadget you are making, it is going to identify the face and it is going to identify the person and then they will unlock the door, right?
Yeah, maybe if I can do it, then I will add it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
sure.
will try. Yeah.
That's there is one question that I want to ask. Suppose something happened, like the person, it is a very simple question, but suppose that person went for a removal of wisdom teeth, and there is some disfiguration of his face, and now that person, that face unlock is not able to identify that face, and
Yeah.
he has like not installed an alternative, that lock and key type. So what is he going to do? How will you overcome that situation?
Like if someone there is multiple, we can recognize the multiple face. So if someone is there out, means any family member of that home can open the door. So from inside, anyone can open. Like you can call your anyone in family, they can open. From outside, it's not possible. So a traditional method we have to apply for that.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
what has
I have a
happened?
question.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Go for it.
Even today, we have photos of everybody in the mobile, and these kind of problems, the theft happens of only those we know. So if we have a photo, then it's more than enough to open the door, right? So what
Yeah.
is the solution for that?
I agree.
If someone has the photo,
Yeah.
Me too.
yeah, so I didn't think about that. So there will be a message given to your mobile phone. If you allow them to enter the home, then only it will open.
Okay.
Okay, team
Yeah,
three,
yeah.
your time is up. If other questions are there, they will be asking you after this, after the thing is over. So next team is
Teamwork.
five is yeah, team four.
Yeah,
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah,
I
start.
think I'm visible. Yeah. Okay, so the title is Expiry Notifier Service.
Okay.
And if I talk about the reviews, then there were good reviews. There were reviews that we should look upon. Like the first one was that they have followed the instruction, but they didn't mention the name of the entire team and the member. So like first one, what we sent was what everything, but we sent the PPT. Like we created that PPT. So then later on we understood that it is of A4 size. And the second thing is that we didn't write the entire team, so team name also. So what I thought was that this was done with websites, and also I thought that there must be a link with my thing. So I didn't knew about that. And here rest of the things were good, like good things were there. And if I talk about one more thing, yeah, it is possible and is useful for any individual customer who are okay. This one, not this one. This is it is not understood for whom this application is being made, for customer, retailer, or dealer. Okay, so it is for customer, retailer, as well as dealer. Like if you are a retailer and you are selling some things, so you'll also be able to track everything, and the customer will also be able to track. Okay, and also one more thing, that it is also not clear that expiry notification will be provided as text message or for customer, retailer. So basically, it will be of notification, and text message will be for them who don't have a smartphone. Okay, and one more was there, but yeah, this like big bazaars are there. Like this will work in good in big bazaar, Spencer, but not for small shops. But it will also work for small shops. There you have to feed the data. So this was the thing. I hope I've cleared everything. And with this, yeah, I received a lot of good. Like one of the thing was the project idea is novel, and yeah, it was a good review.
Okay. So I have one question here, and
Uh,
that
yes,
is it
ma'am.
in the form of, is it in the form of a software, or is it in the format I mean to say, is it some sort of
Mom,
an application
it is
or
an application. Like it is an
okay,
application. App will be there.
an app will be there? So is it supposed to scan that part wherever the date and
Yeah,
all is written?
you have to scan that barcode. Okay, and
Okay.
yeah, barcode you can
Barcode
scan
scanner,
and
barcode scanner is required, right?
no, your phone only will scan that barcode, like your phone camera.
Yeah, phone camera, but not
Mhm.
everybody will be having the that scanner thing in their
Yeah,
phones, right? That is an
no,
issue.
I'm telling that your phone only will be required. Like you have to install that app, and then you will be able to scan. We're using some image processing there also to scan that part, and uh, like this is the thing. You don't have to have a different scanner or hardware.
No, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm saying that the phones which do not have camera.
Yeah, exactly. So for that, yeah, for them, what we have thought is we will be with the text messages, that part only that is
And
said, that text message.
and
Yeah.
for the people who are dealers or
Yeah.
retailers, means
Hmm.
who are handling a huge amount of things or medicines or whatever it is,
Hmm.
huge amount of things. So how will they scan so many things one at a
Yeah.
time, or does it have
Yeah,
some?
exactly. So what happens is this is solely made for home purposes, as they all already have this kind of things. Like they have they need to have all the datas in their system, like all the medical shops, like big medical shops, and they have a unique ID for all the, like let's say a box came. A box has got a lot of things, and what it will do is that there will be a idea of it, like overall idea of it. So all you have to do is just scan that. Okay, this
Mhm.
feature is not there currently. Will not be working on that feature as we are focused on household things.
Mhm.
So that data, all those things get added to your system, and then gets deleted once that is sold. So these systems are already available to them, but they are not available for small households. So we are trying to work in that small household thing more of a.
Anybody else? Any questions? Anybody? Any questions?
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
have a question. This process will be tedious, right? Every time you buy the product, you have to scan it. Maybe some system can link it with the retailer. When he is billing it, at that time itself, the expiry date gets
Exactly.
noted.
Exactly. We have thought about that only. That we will be, what we are doing is that, let's say you went to a big bazaar and you have bought this many things. So they will give you, like, they also have that system. So they will give you a thing, and that will be connected to the servers. Okay. So all you
Okay.
have to do is just scan that, and all those things will go into your phone. It will be tedious for them who are, that the small shops. Like I know the limitations of it. As I know, it's good thing. I know it's bad thing. Bad thing is that it may work for Spencer, it may work for Big Bazaar, but it won't work for the small households. Sorry, the small shops. They don't have those system. So there you have to fill your data like this. So for that, what I have done is that I'll have that scanning part.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. 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 Your time is also up. So
Yeah.
team six. Team six. Yeah. You can start.
Yes. Our project is automatic ceiling fan cleaner, and we are planning to just clean the blades of the fan using a device. So the reviews we got is, first thing, we did not follow the instructions. Like we thought it has to be submitted in the PDF form, but
Yeah, you don't have to. Hi. Wait. You don't have to read out your reviews. Just say those reviews where you have worked upon,
yes.
if any.
So that we would correct, ma'am. We will do it in the report form in the future, because we did not read the previous message. The latest message we read, we thought it should be in PDF form, so we just submitted the PPT in PDF form. Then one team has reviewed that. will this be connected to the ceiling fan itself? And if it is connected to ceiling fan itself, what are all the how all it will affect, like the speed and something. So we are not planning it to attach or permanently attach it permanently with the ceiling fan. It will be just a reusable device. Every time you have to use it, you'll just hold it against the fan, so that and actuate it, so that the cleaning process will be automatic. So that was the thing we think after the review, ma'am.
Okay. So, in your gadget or in your system, is it using water or is it only using the dry cleaning? Means it is not using
Dry
any.
cleaning, ma'am. We are only planning of dry cleaning, just wiping the blades, ma'am. Like dusters on both the sides, on the top and bottom, and just wipe it.
Okay, so that dust that is coming out. So, are you thinking about collection? Means any system of collection of those dust, or will it just be shoved off into the air?
We could not plan for collecting, ma'am. We thought of collecting it, but we could not generate an idea to collect it automatically, ma'am. Maybe we could use the materials which will be absorbing more dust.
Okay, and so any other questions?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Let's say I'm the customer and I wanted to buy what you have, whatever you have bought. So tell me, and also with the manual. So what is the manual of it? Like what you will be giving me and how to use?
No, think of it's an assembled product, okay?
Okay.
You will be buying home an assembled product. In the product, first you have to hold the handle against the fan. That will be the only part for manual. Then you have to switch it on. The
Okay.
handle part, you'll get the on and off controls.
Okay.
So when you do the controls, what the blade when you'll start the control, it the blade will go and stand near a blade. The duster will go and stand near a blade. Then
Okay.
it will wipe that blade. Then it will get out of that fan area and go to the next blade.
So
After all the blades are cleaned, it will go to the outermost point. Then you can take it away from the fan. That's it.
okay, so it has got propellers kind of thing, right? Like there will be a fan kind of thing only. Is it like some blades will be there?
Yeah. Some links will be there.
So how many blades? Like three blades will be there, or only one blade will be there? Like for the cleaning
No,
part.
we are planning of placing only one blade. Two links, basically two links, which
Okay.
will be moving from the outermost end to the innermost end.
Okay. So what do you have thought of like for powering it? What kind of motors you're going to use?
Um, that we have to look up. That
Acha.
we are not sure still.
Also, one more
Yeah.
thing, one more problem can happen is that let's say it went there and that is wiping. So wiping won't be like your fan will get disbalanced and uh, there will be a problem of this. As you know that that cleaning process will also depend upon the friction, right?
Yeah.
So that can be a problem.
No,
Else,
what we are doing is when you are holding it against, there will be some gripper or something which will hold the fan.
okay, that will grip that. Okay, okay,
Yeah, at the center it will be gripping it.
okay. Yeah, that will work. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so yes, Ashish, you were asking something from it at that time.
What, ma'am? Yeah,
You
yeah.
were asking from it. Yeah.
Yeah. Only one question was there, like where you are going to, like let's say you have to cover the whole area, right? So maybe you are looking over one of the mirror and it is installed somewhere else, right? So how you will ensure that I have scanned everywhere in that room?
Means I did not understand the question.
Okay, let's say I went into that room and someone has installed that camera somewhere, let's say uh, on the floor only, at the corner with some of the angle. Now what I know that okay, cameras will be installed maybe at the upper part of it. So I'll scan maybe what you are saying, that there will be a phone or I don't know what you said. Then you will be scanning from that. So how you are going to ensure that you have scanned the upper part, right? And let's say they have installed it in the lower part. So you have to ensure that okay, I haven't left any part. So how you are going to ensure that?
In detector, we install the infrared receiver in all the corner of the detector. So it will cover 360.
Okay, so it is not a
And there is a
phone.
direction also means if the
It is a
signal
hardware,
is
right? It
coming
is a
from,
hardware, right?
yes, yes, in the hardware.
It is a hardware. So that this is what I was telling, that many apps are there which are doing this. It is all about image processing. If you are able to uh, click a photo, you will be able to do thousands of things from that. So your phone is more than sufficient for this task. So why someone will buy a hardware that will also not be that compact, as you are saying that there will be four infrared? You're getting?
Yeah, I get it. But the all the mobile phone cameras are not very good.
No, no. We have got 48
Means,
megapixel camera.
yeah,
I'm
but
Things. I'm sorry to interrupt. Your time is up for today's meeting. But
Yes,
Ashish and Amit both can definitely continue your chat in the group chat itself, so that we also get to know about the things. Like your
surely,
discussion
sure.
is quite interesting. So I'm interested in about how you are reaching to the solution. So please, you both continue this discussion in the chat, and also if you want to ask, if anybody wants to ask anything to the other team members, just tag them, him or her, and you can ask any questions there itself. No issues with that. Okay.
Surely, ma'am, surely.
Okay. So
okay.
well done, teams. Like it was quite interesting to listen to all the projects and all the things that you did so far. Okay. Thank you all. You can log off now.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.